Hey guys, it's MADSTAR Investing back again with another video, and today I'm going to be closing off one of my trades. I happened to open this 2 weeks ago, and happily I have reached my maximum profit almost, but I'm going to just take it off because my maximum profit has been reached basically. And as you can see today, SPY has had a really nice day. It's nearly at 200 points and it has risen 3.03 cents. So I'm going to head over and close this. As you can see, my maximum loss in this trade was 13,800 and I'm already at 5,900. So basically 6,000, which is around a 45% profit in this trade. And that just shows you how easy this trade was. I actually bought this call when it was at 287. So as you can see, if I had bought it at 287 and it just remained at 287, didn't even go down or went up and went back down, I'd still be $1,289 up, and that's a 10% increase by just waiting on the delta to move in my direction. Sorry, not the delta, the theta, as the time decay passed on. But actually on this trade, I can also wait another 14 days and I'll receive my maximum profits of 6,200, but it's just a small amount and I don't really feel like waiting that long. So I'm gonna go and close off this trade now. So how would I do that? Over here you can see my S&P 500. And then I'm just gonna click this and right click it and then do create closing order, and then this thing will pop up over here and I'll do confirm and send. So it should get done pretty quickly. Yeah. I can actually go to my monitor and see when it will be done. So it's working right now. I can cancel and replace order and make it 4, send, and as you can see, it has been done. So now my orders have been executed, and as you can see, my net profit now is 105,000 and I started at 100,000. So, and in this trade I only put 13,000, and why I did that is because in options trading, what I've learned from my past experience is to never put in your full amount. Let's say you have an account size of 100,000, I would put in maybe maximum 10%, or if you had an account size of 200,000, maybe also 5% is fine as well, and that would be just a small trade of 10 to 13,000, and you can see your returns are really great here. So in my charts, you can see that I bought in this area here when it was at 286. I recognized that the implied volatility was really high. So when the implied volatility is really high, what I suggest you to do is to sell options, because then your implied volatility is in your favor, that vega, and the RSI was also very low over here, as you can see, and that's why I bought the S&P 500 index here, and my break even was just above this point. So that's all. Actually, my break even was 283, so even lower than what it was. So if it went down in all these days and stayed just about here or even more down, I'd still not make a loss. So this is all my profit area zone, just because of that delta. So just because this trade worked out for me, guys, that doesn't mean it wouldn't work out if it was at 290. I would just have to wait a bit longer. But that's about it, guys. This was one of my successful trades I wanted to show you guys. I started it live with you guys, and I am happy to close it off today. And what I can do for the future, maybe right now, is you can see that the relative strength index is medium, and the implied volatility here you can't really see, but it's very low. So now is the best time to buy an option, or what I would want to set up is an iron condor for a profit range between 292 and 304, let's say. Yeah. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. And my subscriber goal is 100 subscribers for my project. So if you guys could go down and subscribe to my channel, that would be really nice. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.